This is Edward Moore, and this is my 2018 bike check. So, I got an FBM Hardway V2 frame. I really like this frame. I got it for $100. Shout out to Jeremy. And it's pretty strong. The dropouts haven't bent or anything. And I have an FBM PMA stem. Stem's like okay, but when you first get it, you need to break it in, or your bars are just gonna move and it sucks. And then I got some just a complete front wheel. It's an Odyssey complete. It's got the lighthouse rims and the Vendero Pro hub. Comes with the hub guards, so it's pretty sweet. My back wheel, shout out to Jordan for low-key finessing me out of my anti-gram hub, and now I have a clutch V1, but I'm just gonna get a new, probably an Eric free coaster or something. But it kind of sucks because the slack is horrible. Like, look at this crap. What the hell? But it's not that bad. Let's get used to it. And I got pretty much a lot of the gunmetal kit, just the pedals, the tires, and the grips. I like it a lot, so I'm probably gonna buy the same parts once they wear out. And then the chain, I think it's like an Odyssey Bluebird chain or something. I think that's what it is. I got FBM sprocket. I don't really know what it is. Just Chad at Powers Bike Shop said it was good, so I got it. And I got profile column cranks and an FBM bottom bracket. And these cranks pretty thick, and they last a while. And the paint is pretty good on them. The paint is pretty good on them, so it doesn't wear out that fast or anything. So yeah, and then I have this animal seat because I had this shadow seat. My friend, Free Eric, sucks at bikes, just fell on my bike one time, and my shadow seat got destroyed. So shout out to Jake behind the lens for hooking me up with this one. So yeah, and I have vegan bars, and they've been painted, and they used to be gray. Now they're black because now it's just wearing out. So it sucks. And then I have these shitty ass complete Colony forks that suck. Don't buy Colony complete forks. I need new forks, so I'm probably just gonna get R32 forks. So yeah, and I got 2 different pegs, these mission pegs on the back, because Jake told me I needed 4 pegs to be a street god, which I suck at bikes anyway, so who cares. And I got these shadow pegs on the front. So yeah, that's my bike check.
You want to shout out your sponsors?
Yeah, shout out PPCBMX and just PPC in general.